Takeoff.
Well, hey guys, I'm out in the middle of nowhere, southeast of the city.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Oh yeah, I forgot to turn that stuff down. I'm gonna figure that out yet. Oh, that's not what I want. I want cameras. Okay, let's put it on video. Start the video. There, now I'm recording. And I got the thing running, so I'm going to take off.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There we go. And you can see we're kind of in the middle of nowhere, up just about, what is it, 7, 8 meters. I'll go up a little higher. It looks a little breezy out there. So, I actually came out here just driving around. I figured I'd go look at some interesting sights. So, we'll maybe just drive out to that little pond out there, or lake or whatever it is. And I hear it buzzing away. And I'm actually standing in a shaded area so I can see the darn thing. And we got it about 24 meters in height, or I guess that's about 75 feet or so. And going out towards the water, and just kind of looking. That's kind of funny looking turf underneath us there. That really looks weird. Badlands. Well, we'll turn it around a little bit and see what we got. There you can see the big pond and the tributaries to it. A little bit of wetlands. And there's the road, and you can see me way at the other end of that road. So, kind of cool. But yeah, it's kind of neat stuff. They got a few extra little river-like things going into it. And weak signal. Well, I think I'm gonna elevate it a little bit more, and that might help with the signal. Oh, strong wind warning now. Okay, so I got it up at 50 meters there. That should be a little bit better. And we'll fly around a little bit more. Looks kind of cool. We'll fly right over the water. Pardon me. Was watching a video the other day about certain people have kind of an anxiety about flying over water, and quite frankly, I don't blame them, because I would have that anxiety as well. And I just discovered something I didn't know was there. Now that I'm looking back at this here, I see another lake. Oh, transmission lost. we'll cancel it and keep going here. Okay, well, I lost the transmission, but I'm heading it back home, so I'm not using the home button yet. We are getting a little closer. Yeah, we see the intersection where we're at, so yep, she's a-coming back. But I see that big lake behind me there. That's kind of neat. Maybe we'll go up, since we're only at 54 meters, we'll go up a little bit higher and see if we can have a better look at that lake area and go from there. And I'm just doing this just to, you know, have a little bit of fun today and go fly. The more flights, the better you get at it. I hear my buzzing bird coming in. Little bird, where are you? Oh, you're way up there. Oh. See? It's right above me. Ha! Okay, so down that road apparently. So what I'm going to do is kind of follow the road. That way we avoid anyone ever saying that we're trespassing or something. I watched one of those videos too. Apparently a guy got nailed for flying over somebody's house or something. And I thought that was a little bit ridiculous. But, you know, you do have to abide by the rules. Although I think he just flew over the corner of the guy's property, he did have his camera pointed downward. So if you're over someone's property and your actual camera is looking down, like what I've got right now there, then yeah, you can get in trouble, man. You know, even if you're in a spy mode. But for us right here, right now, we're not over anyone's property. We're over the road, so we're plenty fine. I'm going to raise it up to 150 meters and see if we can see a little bit more of that lake. And that should be 150 or 120 or whatever it was set to. Okay, well, we're at 100 meters, so that's 300 feet, a little over. And we can definitely see off in the distance there's a few more little puddles. So it's actually two little lakes there. And if we pan around a little bit, hard to see on my display. And there's another larger lake there. And then if we pan around a little bit more back towards me, there's some small puddles. And interesting, there's the one I'm at. And there's one further beyond it yet. So yeah, this area is like kind of got a whole bunch of different things happening around here. And you see some of the communities and some of the yellow fields off in the distance there. Kind of center screen. That's canola is what they're growing. Formerly known as rapeseed, but people quit calling it that because, gee, it's not politically correct. Anyway, just putzing around here. And I think I'll get this guy to come home. Actually, I'm going to get it to come towards me, wherever I am. I need to turn it. Oop, the other way. And then we're going to go, there's some oil wells across there. I want to buzz them. So if I go back towards me, and I'll be able to see the bird. And wherever it is. Oh yeah, I see it. It's way up there. And I'll just do another pan around. Down there you can see me. And traffic going by. Kind of cool. Okay, let's spin it around. I'm on it about there, and I'm on a drop. And I see it coming down a bit. And there's what I want to investigate. Those two right over there, those oil wells. Okay, we're at 20 meters, or about 60 feet, or just over that, and we're fairly close to them. I'm gonna just get a little closer so we can have a good look. Yep, oil wells. Interesting. Yep, that's an oil well. There's another one, but they don't seem to be moving. Oh well, that's okay. Anyway, it looks like my battery is somewhere around, what, 38%. I'm gonna gain a little elevation here, and we'll see if we can't just fly it back home. If I hit the home button, I know it's awful noisy, so I actually want to fly it home on my own here. Whoop, a little bit too far. Let's see if we can see me. Yep, there's me. Trying to make sure we're at 34 meters, so we're above the power lines, above everything else. And all you see underneath us, everything is good. And off in the distance, there's me. Strong wind warning. That's nice. I hear a mosquito coming. Well, it's right above me. I'm gonna bring it down, and we'll see if we get out of that wind. It's really starting to blow a little bit out here. And okay, there it comes.
Landing.
That was beautiful. All right. Well, I'm good with that for now. We'll put that back up to level. That's good, guys. Thanks for watching. And maybe next time. Oh, you can see me standing there. Hey, thank you. Actually, let's turn it up the other way. There we go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care and keep looking up. Bye for now.